Hello viewers, today I will show you how to install Raspbian OS in your Raspberry Pi module. Download the Raspberry Pi image from Raspberry website. This is the zip file that we are going to download. The URL is www.raspberrypi.org/downloads. Click on knobs. This is the image file you can download. Connect your SD card. First we need to install this SD formatter. This software will format the SD card and let's run the software. During format you have to choose format size adjustment on, and you can make it full or quick, whatever you want. And press OK. This will format the SD card. Format completed. Now download knobs zip file from Raspberry Pi website, then unzip it. After unzip it, copy all these items to the SD card. Copy completed. Now remove the SD card. This is our SD module. Install it. Insert it. Let's power it up. This is our Raspberry Pi module. We connect a mouse, keyboard using the USB port, and we provided power supply from power bank, and this is the HDMI cable to the module. This network port. We will connect camera in this port. This is the data pin. This is network interface. There are 4 USB port. We connect mouse and keyboard here. We will connect our Wi-Fi dongle in USB. Power up now. Let's choose. This is the recommended option. Choose English. Select the first one. Select the language English, so that keyboard will be US. This is the recommended Debian VG port. Now click on install. Warning: this will install the selected operating system. Existing data, the SD card will be overwritten. Say yes. Installation is started, so we have to wait for 3 to 4 minutes. Installation ongoing. Almost 20%. Almost 37%. So 40% near about. It's almost 59%. After installation, it's showing you the username will be Pi and default password will be Raspberry. And if you need to configure, you can call the Raspberry config using the Raspberry config command. This will provide you a GUI. Installation success. Raspberry Pi OS is booting now. This is the option to enable the camera. If you want to connect the camera, you can enable camera from here. We will show it in our next video how to install camera. Now enable boot to desktop scratch. We want to boot it on Windows desktop environment. Choose desktop. It's finished now. Let's finish it. Now, yes. It's booted now. Now I will show you how to install the Wi-Fi dongle Raspberry Pi. This is our Wi-Fi dongle. It's connected. connected now. Now we will reboot the Raspberry Pi. It's rebooted now. Let's check the Wi-Fi. It's already detecting Wi-Fi. I will connect with this one. Let's put the password. Wi-Fi connected. Let's open the browser. It's open. Let's type Google.com. There, it's working.